2015 Chevy Silverado 2500, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first open the hood, and then towards the passenger side here you should see your battery, and you can always double check on the battery as well for your which terminal is which, but this is your positive, this little plus symbol here, and your negative terminals over here. Next I would check is for any corrosion built up on the terminals, and if there are, I'd take a good brush or rag, clean them up. And then after that, make sure these are nice and tight, because if these are loose, I would then recommend tightening these up. And at that point, with your jump box or with your jumper cables, take the metal clamps and clamp directly to the metal here for your positive red clamp, and then your negative, usually black clamp, hook onto this metal here, most metal contact as you can. And then from there, if you're running jumper cables to another vehicle, make sure the other vehicle's turned on, and then you're going to run your positive clamp directly to the positive clamp on the other vehicle, and then your negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You want to make sure you don't crisscross these by mistake, where the positive is leading to a negative, just because that could cause significant damage to your computer systems, fuses, electronics, things like that. But all that said, once you've had these connected for a few minutes or so with a good metal connection, hopefully that's gotten you enough juice to get your battery started. And if you've been trying that for quite a while and still not having any success, you might need to replace this battery, in which case you do that just by disconnecting these terminals so you can lift them off, removing this. You probably will have to remove this little support bar here as well, just so you have more access to this battery, at which point then you just lift the old battery out, stick your new battery in, and then reattach and tighten everything, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.